In this video, I will show you how I converted the Insta360 Third-Person Backpack Mount to a body harness. I used this kit I found on Amazon that had everything I needed, aside from this ladder slider. See the links below in the description. Cut 6 lengths of webbing. I needed 4 26-inch, 1 44, and a 20-inch long piece for my harness, but the actual lengths will depend on your body. Cut them longer rather than cutting them too short. You can always trim them when you are done. Singe the ends of the webbing with a lighter to keep them from fraying. Install the buckles and slides onto the webbing. Attach the webbing to the back plate. I used one 16 and one 21-inch long piece of webbing to make the center buckle assembly. For part 1, loop the 16-inch webbing through 2 female buckles like this, leaving a 1 1/4 inch gap between them. For part 2, slide a female buckle onto the webbing, making sure the bottom part of the webbing is 7 inches shorter than the top. Slide part 1 onto part 2, and install another female buckle. Loop the webbing through the buckles. Put a male buckle on the long end. This is what the center buckle assembly looks like when attached to my climbing harness. If you are not attaching this to a harness, you can make an assembly with only 3 female buckles. Here's the completed body harness. Once the harness has been fitted, trim the excess webbing. Then, fold the webbing ends and glue them with a hot gun to keep them from sliding past the buckles. Thanks for watching.